potential system coming our way, and the Weather Service, the National Hurricane Center, just moments ago just issued the new advisory on what is called potential tropical cyclone 6. This is likely to be a tropical depression and become tropical storm Fred. The advisory just in. Let's look at it together, shall we? This came in literally just moments ago, moving west-northwest at 15. You can see the center of the system here. Winds are 35, so let's roll through it and we'll watch it together. Here it becomes Tropical Storm Fred tomorrow, moving right over the island of Hispaniola. And as you know, the mountains there pretty high, 10,000 feet. That should weaken the system. And as you can see, the official forecast continues to keep the system relatively weak all the way through until it gets into the Gulf of Mexico. And this would be sometime on Saturday. Many of our global models, the Euro, the GFS, even the Canadian, suggesting that once this system gets in the Gulf, it could become perhaps a little bit stronger. For us, though, we'll be on the right side, which means a lot of wind and a lot of rain, but again, a weak system moving our way. So we now have a potential tropical cyclone. Again, the Hurricane Center started issuing these advisories about 3 years ago so they can put out watches and warnings and get the emergency process kind of underway. And right now, watches and warnings in effect for the Leeward Islands, Puerto Rico, and parts of the Dominican Republic. The system, again, forecast to become Tropical Storm Fred. And as you can see, it will come close to South Florida in a weakened state and eventually perhaps a little stronger once it gets in the Gulf of Mexico. Right now, what we expect on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, some wind and some rain in the Palm Beaches and the Treasure Coast. We'll take a closer look at the system as we look over all of the particulars when we're back with my forecast in a couple minutes.